Welcome back to the Stube Studios Gamemaker tutorial series for beginners. So, today we're going to be covering things that are object related, because objects are so important that we really need to do a lot on them. But I'll try to stick to the basic things first. If you don't get it, feel free to just go back and kind of figure out what I'm saying. If there's any, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and I might be able to answer them in my next video. So, yeah. So, first, let's do key press. So, when we have key press here, this is basically all those different buttons. You'll find all the different buttons here, even the letters and all that. So, left, right, up, and down are, the arrow keys. So, let's do up. So we have that up there, okay? And actually, you know what? Delete that, and we're going to make a different instance. So let's go to Sprite and make a Jimmy. And, go up folder. And then we have base platform. So there most likely will be a guy here, like Explorer or something. I don't use an animated one though, so just do like an NPC guy here, NPC boy. Let's do. So this is Jimmy, and now we're going to make an object for Jimmy. Okay, so now we're going to go to key press up, and Jimmy is going to move up at a speed of 2 when you press that button. So this is saying when you press the up arrow key, he'll move up. So, let's go ahead and just do that for all of them. Like so. Left. Sorry if you're bored right now, but this is important stuff. Press down. Okay. So now we've got all that. So if we go and place Jimmy in the room, and let's delete a few of our, things, because they're really annoying and kind of out of the way. And I'm just gonna delete the strawberries because they really ridiculously hurt my ears last episode, and yeah, so I don't like that sound. So let's just place that Jimmy there. So we've got Jimmy there, and now if we run our game, we should get Jimmy just there. So now if we move Jimmy up, you'll notice that he'll move up, down, side to side. But just so it's kind of hard to see here, but I'm not pressing anything right now. So you notice that he will not stop on his own, it appears. So we've got to fix that, because in a game you don't just see someone, walking without you pressing anything. That would most likely be considered something like a glitch. So we've got to fix that. So let's go to Jimmy. Now we have key press. Now we have to do key release. So let's do key release up. Then we're going to have to do move, put the middle one, that means don't move, and then just do a speed of 0. Okay, so now I'm just going to teach you something a little bit easier. So if you right click an event, then you can duplicate the event. Well, not the event, but the actions in it. So you could do, key release left, and it'll have the same thing. So you could just keep doing this over, and it's a lot faster sometimes. Like so. So now, once you've done that, you run the game again. And now, when you have the Jimmy moving up, you let go, he stops, stops. So that's basic arrow key movement. That can actually get you really far in a game because it's really helpful. Now, it might be a little bit glitchy for you, but this is like really basic stuff, so if you want to learn something a little bit better, then I might do it in a later episode in the series. So, that's very basic stuff. I might as well just cover one more thing. So, let's do when Jimmy collides with the banana. Then we're going to do info display message, and let's do Jimmy ate the banana. And then we're going to use our delete or destroy instance of object. Make sure you don't do self, make sure you do object banana. So this basically what this is when Jimmy touches a banana, it's gonna display the message Jimmy ate the banana, and the banana's gonna disappear, so it's gonna look like Jimmy ate the banana. So now if we run it, we should get this. Jimmy ate the banana. Now if you look, the banana, okay, that was not supposed to happen. Sorry, that was my bad. That was really bad for me, sorry. I did not mean to do that. So, well, you're learning. So, let's try other instead of that, and run it. Now, instead of deleting all of them, it should still eat the one that you touches. If it doesn't, I'm gonna feel like an idiot. There we go. Jimmy ate the banana. See, the bananas are disappearing when Jimmy touches them. Jimmy ate the banana. So yeah, that's basic navigation and messaging.